Okay. Now, ang demonstrate naman kung paano tayo mag-negotiate using wheelchairs sa mga ramps. So, first is going down. When you go down, make sure that the trunk is leaning backwards. Because if you're leaning forward, the COG is forward and there's a chance that you'll move fast or you'll fall down. So ayaw naman natin yung patient safety ang gusto natin. So, when you go down, at the same time, you have to control your movement para hindi din mabilis. Kasi baka mamaya, pag hindi mo control movement mo, pwede may tamaan ka. For example, dito, may corridor, di ba? Pwede kong tamaan yung corridor na yun. So, make sure na meron ding adequate space before you start doing this thing. So, you can move towards the side. Okay? Make sure you have adequate space when you do it. And we will do it in a controlled manner. When you go down, you'll also use your hand to stop it a bit para hindi kayo tuloy-tuloy. So, hindi tuloy-tuloy. Control yung mag-tuloy. Okay?
Pag si James umakatras. Pag si James umakatras.
How to go up naman? Going up. Kung kanina, you shouldn't lean forward.
Ngayon,
Pag
lean
going
forward.
up, mag-lean forward ka naman para mas up. So, here you need to have enough strength of the upper extremity in order to do this. Kaya dapat, medyo malakas na yung training din talaga siya. So, excuse na ng konti. Then, we'll try to go up with the trunk leaning forward. Okay? Trunk leaning forward, then we will go up. Next naman, how to go down sa ramp. Let's say for example, imagine niyo na lang, very steep yung ramp natin. Very steep. Pwede ba natin gawin yung ginawa natin kanina? Hindi, delikado yun, di ba? So, kapag very steep yung ramp natin, paano natin gawin?
Pabalik.
Side.
Pa-side, okay, good. Pwede natin siya gawin ng pa-side. Kung narrow lang yung area, pwedeng gawin natin siya in a zigzag manner. Okay?
Side to side.
Drift. Drift it.
Hindi mo naman
Na-video ko. Kita naman eh.
I mean, ito lang na.
Okay, yan.
Any questions?
Dali, dali.
Steep pocket pares na naman. Wala akong magbabago. Kasi steep na siya eh. You have to go forward and kailangan mo talaga i-push hard. Very, very hard.
Kahit naman dumadaan na tanay, hindi tayo dito parang sumanod mo, pinapanood lang nila yung goal. Excuse me.
When you turn, di ba, opposite naman yung dapat yung direction nila. Okay. I want you to try going downwards.
Yes.
Controlled manner.
Control, Char, control.
Controlled jump. Going down. Okay, congrats. Going down, controlled, go. Slowly, good. Okay, go back. Turn around.
Turn around.
And bend forward and go up. Push. You have to push hard, push. Push. Ano ba yan? Push.
Dapat sa rin.
Close na.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Push hard, go.
Oh, that,
Huwag ka kasi magigil. Nagigigil ka.
Caster.
Labo. Tinutulak ka na niya eh. Kailangan ginagawa eh. Tama. Depende.
Depende.
Mayaman eh.